So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in registry editor. Click on it, and then click on yes. And then once you run this, you can follow everything I'll be doing up here. So first, you want to expand HQ local machine, and then you want to expand software, and then you want to expand Microsoft, and then you want to scroll down and expand Windows. Here it is, you want to expand Windows, and then you want to expand current version, and then you want to find Explorer. You want to click on Explorer, here it is, and now you should have something that's called Smartscreen enabled. For me, I don't have it, you might not have it as well. So if you do not have Smartscreen enabled, you want to right click on any blank space, and then click on New, and then click on String Value. And now you want to name this as Smartscreen enabled. Spell it the exact same way how I did, with the same capitals and lowercase, and then click on Enter. And now once you have this, you want to double click on this, and now let's say that you want to turn on Smartscreen. Under value data, you want to type in on, and then click on OK. If you want to turn it off, you want to double click on this, and then you want to type in off, and then click on OK. And now you just want to restart your computer, and then that's how you do it.